Hey everyone, it's Mike, that critter guy. I've got a pretty interesting little video here. I've managed to catch a eastern velvet ant, aka cow killer. This is actually a ground wasp. The females are wingless, only the males have wings. And they get the name cow killer because it's how bad their sting is. It said it's so bad it could kill a cow. Not really true, but out of the scale of pain scale in North America for insects that sting, it ranks at 3.5 out of 4, 4 being the strongest. So that's pretty bad. Anyway, what I wanted to show you, everyone knows just how strong their exoskeleton is, almost indestructible. Another defense mechanism they have is they make a stridulatory sound sliding the segments back and forth on their abdomen, and it makes a squeaking noise, pretty loud actually, and it's to scare off predators that may have picked it up, a bird or a mole type of shrew, even toads, that type of thing. So anyway, let's see if I can make this little girl make that stridulatory sound. I'm going to blow on her, and I will release her once that I'm finished. I'll show you me letting her loose out of this little mason jar. Let me flip the camera back around. There she is, in the bottom of this jar, unharmed. Now I'm going to blow on her to see if I can trigger that defense stridulatory sound. If you watch closely, you can see the segments of her abdomen sliding back and forth furiously, which is what makes that sound. Anyway, little known fact of the velvet ant, defense mechanism. These are one of my favorite insects. Also, a defense mechanism is that color. That red and black is supposed to make predators jump back. Anyway, I'm going to release her so that everyone can see. And away she goes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, come crawl with me. Come climb with me. Thanks for watching.